15 seconds. Shot clock. 10 seconds. Shot clock.
Bako, patay. Lakas, speed, that's 8 foul. 2-2.
What do you call this shot?
Shot clock.
Jason, you got 3 fouls.
Fish dump.
25 seconds.
25 seconds shot clock.
24.
May 25 kami. 25 kami. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get it. 10 shot finish.
So just start. It's just tap reset.
Now, how do you change the 25?
You can't? Okay, just...
That's
Huh?
sunod din, no?
Penalty.
Penalty, both teams.
Mike Rojas.
Mike Rojas.
Mike
third foul.
got 3rd foul. That's foul number 7.
Foul number 7.
1-on-1.
Team foul.
Easy lang kayo mga guys. Easy lang kayo.
Sige lang, mati-technical ka dyan. Ryan.
Ay, buka nga dyan. Sayang 3 points mo pag di kayo nanalo.
3 points ba siya?
Oo. Stop ka. Sino nag-foul? Si Rodel? Got it.
Foul number 12.
18 foul. Rodel got 3rd.
Third foul, Rodel. Third foul. Sayang. Oh.
Go. Pasok. What happened? 35, matagal pa yun eh.
Tagal pa, 55 seconds.
Wala silang rebounder. Tignan mo, oh. Ay, pinagdo si Mike, diba?
Stop the clock.
Kamag-anak yung nasa clock, ha? Kamag-anak yung nasa clock. Start. Stop.
Stop na nga.
Ay. Sa Rodel na naman yun.
Rodel, fourth foul. Fourth foul.
Ano yung sinasabi nun ni Mike?
Wala, patulong si Mike sa ilalim.
Siyaw.
Hindi kasi pumasok si LeBron James.
Dapat si Ryan pumasok eh. Black ball. I'm gonna give it to the black.
Last touch, ref.
Last touch, ref eh. Hey guys, easy. Sabi mo nga, easy lang sila.
Easy lang. Easy.
Kasi pag humarang kasi.
Once.
Oy, that's 10 foul na already, ha?
Number 16, second foul.
10 foul, 2 shots.
10 team fouls.
2 shots.
2 shots. Ikaw tumira ng 3 points, pare. Ikaw tumira ng 3 points.
Oo. Si Francis, hindi gumawa
1
eh.
seconds na lang.
Si Kobe James galit oh.
Yan. 20 seconds. 15. 12. 3 points?
Oo, 3. Bigay mo na.
Sante pa ng
Pwede ka ba maging photographer?
Arif sili oh. Oh, koleksyon. Pa-koleksyon sili ah.
Oo, ito na. Okay.
Ha?
Sige, maging ikaw mag-ano, ikaw magbabash ng ano.
Congratulations!
Teka lang, i-organize ko lang doon ha.
Lakas Speed!
Ikaw mag-ano sa naman na.
Gavin! Gavin! Gavin!
Picture.
First place, Empronin! Okay, awarding ceremony!
Alam mo ba mga pangalan, pare? Puta, collection na naman yan. Ha? No? Collection na naman. Kailangan ko na ng pangalawang... Ano? Kailangan ko na ng pangalawang kwarto.
Ha?
Sino? Ikaw na magsasalita. Hindi, ikaw na magsabi.
Lang yan.
Ikaw na mag-announce. Ako na magbibigay ng ano eh. Ito muna yung ano mo.
Ito na lang ako.
Ano yun? Astig. Yung third place muna.
Okay. For...
Teka muna. Sabihin ko na yung mga pangalan. Teka muna. Okay, pag ano later, pwede ba ano? Content. Cellphone ha. Picture. Yeah, third. Yung ano.
Five.
Second runner-up, diba? Second runner-up.
Oh, sabihin ko na? Okay, for second runner-up, Astig. Team Astig. Calling Gavin.
Lan! Yan o mo.
Gavin Ju. Congratulations. Next, Matt Wong. Congratulations. Next, Erwin. It's not here. Next, Darnell. Next, Ariel. Next, Raymond. Paano ba i-pronounce last name mo? Gabon? Congratulations. Next, Rafael. Next, Steven. Wala. Gab Gutierrez. Congratulations. Second runner-up.
Off the rim!
Next, Charles Clemencio. All right, second runner-up, Astig team. Ref, group picture, ref. Ref, group picture.
Can we have some group picture, ref? Bruh. We need your picture. No. Oh, really? Can you take a picture with you? No, with them.
What's that?
Yeah. Camera boss. Just to make it official, ref. Just to make it official. Second runner-up, Astig.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Congratulations, Team Astig. Special awards. Third season scoring champion, Darnell Webb. Scoring champion, Darnell Webb.
Scoring champion for Darnell.
So, picture.
Third season's Mr. Defense,
1. Picture. 1.
Henry Brody.
Oh, 1, 2.
We need a representative for you.
Henry!
Okay?
Henry!
Henry Brody.
Sino?